welcome back to the I Tried series, and Happy New Year to you. So in today's episode of I actually tried making money online, copying and pasting YouTube shorts, and also re-uploading content legally on YouTube. Now this is one of the most talked about way of making money here on YouTube. So I decided to try this and see if it works so that you will know whether you should try this in 2024 or not. So in order to actually try this out, I decided to create a new channel. The big question here is, was I able to monetize this channel and make money from it? Now let me show you everything from my computer. Let's get into it. This is actually the channel I was talking about. You can see I have 65 videos. I have 2,808 subscribers, and we have more shorts compared to long videos. Look at it right here, we have a lot of shorts. The reason here is that initially I wanted to do this just for short alone, but along the line I thought of it that I could add a long form content to it, so that if I could hit the 4,000 watch hours and the 1,000 subscribers, I will monetize. And on the other hand, if I hit 10 million views from the short, I would also be monetized. My goal was just to test and see if I'll be able to monetize this particular channel that I am re-uploading other people's content. One of those long content went viral. Look at it here. This one right here, it has 162,000 views, and we were able to hit the 4,000 watch hour and the 1,000 subscribers. Now, was I able to monetize this channel and make money from it, which was actually my goal? You're about to find out in few seconds. Let's get into the dashboard so that you see everything that's going on behind the scene. So if you come here to my creator studio and you click on earn, you will see earn on YouTube. Your channel isn't earning right now, even though we are eligible for it. If you look at it right here from my creator studio, you see that we've surpassed the 1,000 subscribers threshold, and we've also surpassed the 4,000 watch hour threshold, but then we are not able to monetize this channel because of what is called reuse content policy. Like, my channel has violated the reuse content policy. That's why we've not been able to monetize this channel. Before I continue, I'm going to take a few minutes of your time, and I apologize in advance for that. I want you to do two things for me. One is to like this video so it will get to more people. Two is to actually subscribe, because in this channel I bring side hustles, ways to make money online that actually works, and I also point out the ones that are not working, so you'll not be wasting your time, energy, resources on what is not working. So if you're interested in making money in 2024, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because we are done with holiday and we are fully back to creating content. I'm waiting for you to subscribe. Yeah, I'm waiting for you. Now, if you've done that, head straight to the comment section and tell me I subscribe. So I will send you a special welcome hug that's meant for new subscribers. Thank you. Let's continue. Now, what's this reuse content? Is a channel uses someone else's content without making changes that add significant value. I want to point out that there's a big difference between reused content issues and copyright issue. Now, this channel does not have any copyright issue because this content we're actually using, the organization said it that you can use it for free and they don't have any copyright on their content. So the reused content here is YouTube feels you're just copying the content and pasting it on your channel, or you're just downloading it and re-uploading it on your channel without adding any significant change. So that way you are not giving out any value, and they said, okay, you cannot monetize the channel. Now, I don't want to play any of these videos on this channel because I don't want to have any issues with YouTube. I don't want them to demonetize me or ask me to write any appeal and all of those stuff. I would have played one for you to actually see. We do not just copy this content and paste it like that. In most of those content, we add like an intro, and in the middle, especially the long one, we actually pause it and said some things, and at the end of it we added an outro. I felt that was enough to like do away with this reuse content violation of a thing, because I knew that this actually exists. I've seen videos on this before, but that did not actually help in any way. Now, does it mean you can not make money by re-uploading other people's content? So how can I actually fix this issue right now and monetize this channel? Like, the I've clearly stated a couple of things you should do when you're using other people's content, and things you should not do when you're also using other people's content. If you want to look at it, to me, it's even more harder than me turning on my camera to record a video. So it's not actually very easy or simple the way most of us YouTubers make it sound, that okay, you just copy content and paste it, and under fair use policy, there's something that is called fair use policy. They're going to monetize that content. I'm telling you that in 2024 it does not work that way again. So you won't go and waste your time and energy and resources in creating content. At the end of the day, you're not able to monetize that channel. So looking at it right now, what can I actually do to monetize this channel? Okay, if you come here, I have two options. Appeal by sending a video. So I can do a video to YouTube explaining that they've made a mistake. This is it. This is it. I added my own clip. I added some tips to it. It's not 100% Koinonia's content. Then the second option is to actually edit your channel and reapply. Review our feedback, then make changes to your channel. Changes can include editing or deleting videos. This review they are talking about, most people said that they deleted everything, like all the videos on their channel, and they started uploading a fresh video again, mixing like footage of 10 seconds after every 10 seconds of the original content they wanted to like upload. I've actually played. That's not something I want to do, because if I now bring in a footage of 10 seconds after Apostle has speak for 10 seconds, I'll be interrupting the whole teaching, and I don't think it's going to make sense to anybody out there who's watching it. They also said I can do like a reaction video where I pause the video and then talk, comment on it, or narrate something that he has said. That way YouTube will see it as my own video, like as I've added value to the whole thing. I'm not sure I'm going to go through all of this. I can just grow the channel and sell it. That's the only thing that's running my head right now, or just leave it there. But if it's all this thing they are saying I should do to fix this reuse content policy violation thing, Stella Wood is not sure she's going to do it. So I just needed you to know this. If you're starting a faceless channel and your plan is to re-upload other people's content, even though there are no copyright claims, know that you have a very big part to do by bringing in footage that's like 10 seconds after the original video I've also played for 10 seconds, or by creating a kind of reaction channel when you are like where you are reacting to this video. But if you are just uploading the videos like that, you may not be able to monetize the channel. Like, you may not be able to earn from AdSense. Of course, you can actually earn from affiliate marketing and also selling your own product to your audience. These are things we should bear in the back of our mind. If you find this video helpful, make sure you subscribe, you like, and you also share it to other people. I did a video here now. I grew from 46 subscribers to 5,000 subscribers in 1 month, and got my main channel, this particular one, monetized. So if that's something you're interested, make sure you check it out. Thank you once again for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.